Bago ka mag-spend and mag-plan next year, mahalaga na iwasan mong ilang bad money habits para mas maging financially ready ka. Una, overspending. Kung madali kang matempt sa gadgets, shopping, or unnecessary treats at lagi kang gumagastos beyond your limit, may hirapan kang makapag-save o mag-invest. Wala kang mape-prepare for your future. Ang tip, gumawa ng budget o sundin ang spending limits mo. Pangalawa, ignoring savings and investments. Yung mindset na bahala na next month is one of your biggest trap. Kapag hindi ka nagsisave or nag invest early, mas kakaunti na ang time ng pera mo para lumago through compounding. Kahit maliit lang na amount, basta consistent, malaki ang impact over time. Pangatlo, delaying financial planning. Huwag na nating intayin yung bukas na or next month bago mo ayusin ang finances mo. Regularly review your income, expenses, emergency fund, and short-term or long-term goals. Kapag maaga ka nang nagpa-plan, mas kontrolado mo na ang pera mo. Pang-apat, living paycheck to paycheck. Kapag nauubos agad ang sahod mo sa daily needs and gastos mo, wala kang buffer for emergencies and future needs. Importanteng i-prioritize ang essentials kasama ang savings at investment dahil amang ito ang makakatulong sa'yo para mag-build ng wealth over time. Magkakaroon ng peace of mind and better future. Panlima, impulse buying. Sales, promotion, and emotional spending can easily ruin your budget. Before buying, ask yourself, kailangan ko ba talaga to? Pasok pa sa budget and learn to pause before you purchase. By avoiding these habits, mas magiging manageable ang pera mo. Plan, save, budget, invest, and spend responsibly. Para mas maging confident ka sa finances mo at mas secure ang future mo sa New Year and beyond.